If you want to have the coolest notebooks in the world, you've come to the right video. They work as an anti-stress, sensory material, or simply to look at them because look how cool they look! Today we do a notebook makeover. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Hi guys, let's see that notebook that you have on the floor. Oops, that is not a notebook. That's it. And you also have one, great! For this craft we will need a notebook, construction paper, a Ziploc bag, clear glue, glitter and shapes, liquid silicone, a ruler, scissors, tape, and a pencil. Start by tracing the cover of the notebook on the back of the construction paper. Cut it and make another one for the back cover. Now open your notebook and mark the size of your bag. As you can see, mine only leaves 1.6 centimeters from the edge to my bag, so I'm going to make a bigger edge of 3 centimeters. Mark this distance on all 4 sides. Cut the rectangle that we have left. Now trace the rectangle on the construction paper and glue it with liquid silicone. Does this pattern remind you of something? It's like Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's butterfly! That's why I decided to separate the butterfly shapes, as well as the flowers and the dots. Also, I wanted to separate only the blue and the white ones, but you can choose the ones that you want. It's better not to put any shapes with very pronounced peaks, like stars for example, since they can tear our bag later. Put everything in the bag, add glitter, and then add clear glue. If you find some cat hair like I did, take it out before it's too late. Look how pretty! Hey Gato Rainbow, let's check if you've been listening. Which of these 3 things have we used to decorate the cover of our notebook? The Ziploc bag, yes! Stick it inside using tape. Let's make sure nothing comes out by folding the top of the bag like this and sticking it well to the notebook. So it would be ready like this. You can leave it like it is or add another piece of paper so that the bag is more integrated. Psst, subscribe if you're liking the video. Put another construction paper the size of the cover for a better finish. And that's it! We love how relaxing our notebook is. Let's go with the next one. We need a notebook, another construction paper, water beads, red construction paper, a bag, and the usual pencil, scissors, ruler, tape, and silicone. As we did before, cut the paper the size of the notebook. And behind the cover, we will make a circle. I used this spot because it was the perfect size. Cut the circle, trace it on the paper, and glue it. Now let's prepare the water beads. Try not to throw all of them on the floor like I did. But you got it, right? Put them in a glass, add water, and wait an hour or two for them to grow. And that's it. Put them in the bag and take the air out before you close the bag. Let's check that the beads fit in the circle and stick it in place with tape. Since this time we have nothing liquid, we will cut the bag and seal it well with tape. Now cut some pieces like this to form our bubblegum machine. Glue them in place with silicone. Add the details that you want. And that's it! We can leave it like this or add aluminum foil to the back. As we did before, we will cover everything with another construction paper, and look! This notebook is also so relaxing. Gata Moon is so happy drawing in her notebook. She is imagining that she is a prestigious astronaut exploring outer space. That sounds really cool, Gata Moon! You are discovering so many planets. And what do you think Gato Rainbow is imagining right now? Oh, Gato Rainbow! Are you a fakir flying on a magic carpet? Although, it seems that he doesn't play very well because he's flying backwards. We hope that you like these 2 ideas to decorate your notebooks. If you finally make one of them, tell us how it went in the comments. Thank you for watching us one more week. See you soon!